how to add devices in SignalRGB. So first, you're gonna have to make sure your device is supported. So you can find this in your website. Your specific browser, whatever you want. Search for SignalRGB and go to the supported devices. Then you're just gonna go ahead and choose whatever device you're going to connect, and let's say your mousepad for some reason. So once you're in your mousepads, take a look at the brand and the specific model. If it is in the list, it will automatically connect to the app itself if your device is connected to your PC already, or laptop, or whatever device you're connecting it to, and it's gonna show up directly into the app. And in the app itself, make sure you have the conflicts settled so it won't cause any problems. So you can find this into the settings and go into the conflicts. So once you go into conflicts, make sure you have toggled this one, which is automatically closing the conflicting programs. So when this is enabled, SignalRGB will attempt to automatically close all the conflicting programs while it's running. So this will allow the other programs to stop, and it will focus on SignalRGB itself. You can also take a look at the supported devices directly here in the help section. Just go ahead and press that. But again, once you connect your devices, it's going to pop out over here once it is supported as well. So you can go ahead and choose it. You can go ahead into the settings and enable it yourself or disable it. You can rename it, go to the inspector. You can also change its lighting and whatnot. But that is pretty much how you connect devices in SignalRGB. Just make sure it is supported, and the conflicting apps, or if there is any app that is connected directly to the device itself, make sure those are off to again avoid problems. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.